Make money with data annotation jobs tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'll talk about data annotation and how I earn money from it. For people who don't know what data annotation is the process of labeling or tagging data with metadata descriptors or annotation to provide context, meaning, or structure to the raw data. In the context of machine learning and AI, data annotation is essential for creating label datasets that can be used to train and improve AI models. This involves labeling data points with specific attributes or categories such as bounding boxes for subject detection, text classification labels, sentiment analysis labels, or speaker identities for audio data. Data annotators must adhere to annotation guidelines and standards to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of annotations. Specialized annotation tools or platforms streamline the annotation process, facilitating collaboration among annotators and enabling the creation of highlight quality or dataset that power various AI applications, including computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. So, without any special skills, you can earn money on Fiverr through data annotation involves offering your services as a freelancer to annotate or label data for clients who require assistance with their projects. The only thing you have to do is simple: create a Fiverr account and start offering your services. As you can see, there is here small number of offers comparing with other services. Let's see, for example, logo design. As you can see, here we have over 240,000 results. So the competition here is strong. How um, how we can get to this service? You can just type fiverr.com and go to data, selecting data annotation. So this is it, data annotation, and here you are. So here we have the results. As you can see, you don't have to need any advanced coding skills. If we scroll down, you'll know that it is possible to earn money by offering the services, and the minimum amount, as you can see, is $5. And here we have, you can attend $10 or $20. So let's select an example over here, starting with let's see, for example, let's choose that one as a huge number of jobs comparing with others. So as you can see, here we have the title. I will do image annotation, data labeling, bounding box, text tagging for ML, AI, NLP models. So starting here with the title, I will do image annotation, data labeling, bounding box, text tagging for ML, AI, and NLP models. And as you can see, as a data annotators, it will be your task is labeling items, images, as example videos by marking this object. Let's see few examples. As you can see, here we have few examples, and as I said, marking these objects or drawing circles, squares around them for charge. It's For the basic one, $5 for 400 pound in boxes, and standard for it's $60 for 5,000 pound in boxes. The premium one and the most expensive, $120 for 10,000 pound in boxes. So here we have the delivery is in 10 days, and for the standard one is in 6 days, and for the basic one is in 3 days. So this is how data annotation works. You can get more information by clicking data annotation on Google. Um, as you can see, there is a lot of platform that they can teach you the basic thing. Then you can start your job and you can get your money from giving this kind of services. And the second, or we can say the second platform that you can work as a freelancer is Toloka. As you can see here, I am ready to earn money. You can just select that one, and then you can start. You can start as a freelancer. Then the third platform is OGB. You can start your job by clicking here became a freelancer. So guys, there is a lot of platform that you can start as a freelancer, and you can get your job by starting giving services on data annotation. It's a simple and easy service, and you can earn money from it. So all what you have to do is start giving, or we can say start as data annotator, choosing one of these platform. So you can start with Fiverr if you wanna earn from the other offers. So you can just click on these examples. Then you wanna get and understand more and have more information how data annotations works by selecting your service option and seller detail, budget, delivery time. So all the stuff or the criteria, you can choose it, and then you will start offering your service. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.